Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi network and that your laptop can accept cast input. Open the Google Home or Chromecast app on your mobile. This lets you discover the device. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location are on if the app asks. These speed discovery. On the laptop, enable Wi-Fi and close VPNs or firewalls that block local discovery, because the cast uses local network traffic to link the devices. You now open a casting-capable app, Chrome or a streaming app like YouTube, then tap the cast icon to list available devices. If your laptop appears, select it. If not, choose the Chromecast device connected to the laptop or run the laptop receiver app first, because the laptop often acts as a receiver. Once you select it, grant any permissions for screen sharing or audio capture. This enables both display and sound to route from mobile to laptop. Stay patient. Discovery can take a few seconds. You finish by confirming playback on the laptop and testing audio and touch responsiveness. Adjust volume on both devices as needed. When done, stop casting from the mobile app or the cast icon to release resources. If casting fails, restart your phone, laptop, and router, and make sure no VPNs or firewalls block local discovery. This is the most common issue. If problems persist, reinstall the Google Home or Receiver app and retry the discovery step to restore the link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.